Again, Ashwini, back to you. Today, I'll talk about technology of mythology, which is a very interesting topic. That technology of mythology is also there. First, we thought that mythology itself is a language of myth, like astrology is a language of planets, numerology is a language of numerals. So, mythology is a language of myth. But today I am going to talk about technology of mythology. That is, in the language of myth, what are the technologies hidden? And in that, first today I will talk about a very important and very old concept, old system. I don't know how old it is. That all rivers flowing on planet Earth are finally merging with ocean, samudra, sea, all the rivers, and in sea there is a sangam. Recently there was a very big event took place in India, Mahakumbh, Prayagraj, at Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. Almost 66 crore people took bath, holy bath in Sangam. Sangam means union of three rivers. Union, if you want to understand the word union, then you have to go to mathematics, set theory. I don't know, I think it is called discrete mathematics or something. This is a binary system, and entire IT industry, entire digital systems, digital technologies are based on this set theory, concept of set theory, intersection, union. And we have to understand the words. Union means Sangam. If you look at the Sangam, three rivers flowing, and all three are visible independently. And that place is very Prayagraj is very important on planet Earth. It's the only place where three rivers are meeting. That too, third river is not visible anywhere else. In general, it was away. It was supposed to be the mighty river known earlier, but became invisible, and it becomes visible there. I don't know what is the story behind it. We have to actually locate technology of mythology involved into this. I am trying to work on that why rivers go to ocean and why ocean receive it in the first place. You know, in this universe, if you look at the entities, female is the entity who receives. Without receiving, it cannot deliver. Similarly, planet Earth, usko Mata kaha gaya. Earth is called Mata, mother planet. And it also delivers, but after receiving something. And what ocean delivers? Now the point to be understood is what ocean delivers. And ocean delivers you rivers. Ocean delivers you rivers. Ocean delivers you your lifeline, water. And the water of ocean is not usable directly. You can't drink it. So I should not say that it is not usable. I should say that it is not usable for drinking alone. Only one parameter, that it is not usable for drinking. But it is very, very useful for destruction. It destroys. It breaks everything into molecules. And there is a place in ocean, there may be many places, I don't know, but Rameshwaram, there is a well which is very well within the ocean, but its water is drinkable. You can drink that water. Isn't it surprising? Have you ever tried to find technology in this? What kind of technology is used in that well so that you get the clean drinking water inside the ocean? Surprising. I think we should check the river which is not visible, that Saraswati. Maybe that water belongs to that Saraswati river. We should test it. It is meeting the ocean somewhere, and that water is coming in the well, which is very well within the ocean. You have to look for it. You have to search. So that means rivers getting into the ocean, because rivers do not have salty water. River have water which is used for drinking everywhere. Rivers are the source of water. And the moment they fall into ocean, they become non-drinkable. So ocean return you the water in the form of rivers through rain. What a perfect system. What a perfect... The ocean is fabricating rivers, and rivers are going back to ocean to meet their source. Now you try to find out how ocean gives you rains. Very important question it is. And illiterate people might say that it is sunlight which is responsible to give you rain. What a primitive logic. We started working on this, trying to understand. We are working on technologies of mythology since 2004. And trying to understand what is the technology behind. And we have got a lot of things. Shankh technology. Primary is Shankh technology. And we have to understand Ganga, how it arrived and from where it started. Ganga never started from ocean. The Ganga started from where? Ganga was hidden in the foot of Vishnu. It's Vishnu who has delivered everything. Each and everything is delivered by Vishnu. I don't know whether how you would understand that. Very, very difficult. Very, very difficult. Vishnu is 10 to the power minus 24. The size of the molecule 10 to the power minus 24. And it can expand to plus 24. So 10 to the power minus 20, journey from 10 to the power minus 24 to journey for 10 to the power 24. Now you calculate what are the possibilities that anything can become anything. Where during Vaman avatar, when the Bali was the king of the planet Earth, at that time Vishnu in Vaman avatar came. I think that was first human avatar. And when he was covering the universe, when he was trying to cover the galaxy system, his thumb of a foot got scratched due to Himalaya. You can imagine the height of Himalaya. What was the height of Himalaya at that time? And how big the step of Vaman avatar mein Vishnu ka tha. How big the step was. You know, Virat Roop. Krishna used to take Virat Roop. Micro to mega. And now I am talking about minus 24 to 24. Obviously, it will look myths to people whose imagination is so limited. They cannot even think what is the utility of the Murti. Nirakar and Sakar. Your Suksham is Nirakar and you are Sakar. And that is, your Suksham is minus 24 and your Mega is, I don't think it is plus 24. Krishna, you can understand. Virat Roop and normal Krishna. Bal Roop. So, the question remains that why rivers go to ocean and how ocean is giving rains. You have to understand that very well. Again, I'll go back to the example of Bali, Raja Bali. Here we have to understand Raja Bali. What was the period when he was there on planet Earth? That you have to find out in your Vedas and wherever you want to find out. I am talking about technologies, not the time scale. And the Raja Bali was organized a yagya, organized a puja, organized a procedure, and he made sure that he becomes Vishnu. He was practicing to become Brahma. The Raja Bali, what was Raja Bali doing? He was already a king of the entire planet Earth. Now what was he looking for? So he actually wanted to become Brahma. So he was adopting all those procedures to become Brahma. And you know who was his guide? Shukracharya. Shukracharya said, I can give you all the systems, you can become Brahma very easily, but you have to practice. You have to do the procedures. I can only convey you the procedures. Nothing else. I cannot help anything else beyond this. I can only guide you to the procedures. How to perform procedures, I can guide you. I can train you. But you have to do it. He said, yes, I will do. And he started practicing. And when he was practicing, in that episode, the Vishnu realized that if this succeeds in this procedure, he will become Brahma. And as Brahma, he is not good for mankind. What intentions Bali had, that might be known to Vishnu. So he decided to reduce that procedure to zero, or at least the result of that procedure should not come. And he comes to him, to Bali. वो जब दान पुण्य, the procedure used to be that you have to give few things, you have to donate things. And Vaman also reached to him and asked for donation. And Shukracharya recognized Vishnu. He warned. Shukracharya was Guru. So he warned. That is the purpose of the Guru. That is the job of the Guru. He warned him. Raja Bali didn't listen to him. He said, अगर मेरे पास विष्णु भिक्षा मांगने आया है तो I am the bigger one because I am giving him. I am donating to Vishnu. So I am bigger than Vishnu. I have become bigger than Vishnu. That's what he thought. And Shukracharya was worried. He said that Vaman said कि मुझे 3 वो चाहिए. वो उसने कहा कि मांग लो जो मांगना है. Bali said, ask me, I'll donate. He said, I will just need 3 steps of land. I just need 3 steps of lands. 3 steps of land to do my procedure, to do my puja. And Bali was, well, three steps, nothing. You can easily take it. I can give you, no problem. I can give you more. He said, no, I just want 3. I am not a greedy person. He said that. Vaman said, I am not greedy. I just need 3. Bali agreed. Shukracharya refused. But Vaman asked Bhiksha to Bali, not to Shukracharya. Shukracharya was refusing that, telling the Bali not to accept. Then Vaman said, you take the oath. When you go to the court, the judge says that you take oath that whatever you will say truth. So some book he keeps. I don't know the procedure, you can check in the court. So oath ceremony. So Vaman said, you take oath. And for oath, he has to take water in his 3 steps. For each step, 1 time water in this. On his अंजलि कहते हैं इसको हिंदी में, इंग्लिश में मुझे नहीं पता क्या कहते हैं. Then what Shukracharya did, he found that Raja is not listening to me, so he shrank himself, miniaturization. जो अभी English movies or some movies show that the person can become miniaturized. They are trying to develop machines to miniaturize the humans. So they took this as an example that Shukracharya miniaturized him and sat inside the that utensil from where the Bali was to take water, and he sat at the exit of that tap so that water does not flow out. Guru did his job perfectly, but this is called call of nature, call of kismat, call of fate. That Bali took a क्या लिया उसने तिनका. Bali took a rod and inserted in that pipe के पानी क्यों नहीं आ रहा है, why water is not flowing, and that made Shukracharya lost his eye. So karam and karamphal, he did a karm which was against the society but wanted to protect child, shishya, pupil. But pupil was so stupid that he used a stick and inserted in the tap, and the Shukracharya had to lose his eye. He comes out, water comes out, Bali takes the water, takes the oath and tells him that you measure. And Vaman, when took first step, it covered entire earth. In first step, it covered the earth. Second step, he covered the universe. Now he asked Bali that where should I keep third step? And he said, I don't know, you decide. He said, I have to keep it on you, your forehead, because that is the only place left. He has covered physical items, not the humans, not anything. He has just covered the physical earth and solar system. He said, okay, I am ready. Then Vaman said that you have to give me you have to ask me one Vardhan. Then only I can keep the third step. He said, no, I don't need anything. Bali said, I don't need anything. I don't care. You need or you don't. But I can keep my third step only on your forehead, only when you ask for something in return. Payback. Then Bali said, अच्छा मेरे स्टेप रखने से क्या मैं मर जाऊंगा? He said, no, you will not die. You will get arrested. पाताल लोक में आपको बंद कर दिया जाएगा, जेल में बंद कर दिया जाएगा. और महल है वो, बढ़िया अच्छा महल है. All सुख सुविधाएं होंगी तुम्हारे पास. It will be a replica of your महल today. So he said that I want you to be the चौकीदार of that महल. उस महल की रक्षा तुम्हें करनी होगी. Bali said, you have to protect my महल by sitting outside the gate. Now Vaman had no choice, and Vaman is Vishnu. He places her third step on forehead of Bali. Bali goes into Patal in his mahal, and Vishnu had to sit, and that mahal was inside the ocean. Planet Earth he had covered. So that was in ocean. So rivers go to ocean to meet Vishnu. And it is that Vishnu who gives rains, who converts the salty water into drinkable water in the form of rains, and rains feed the Mother Earth through rivers. That's it. Oh, there is a place called Cherrapunji. I don't know where it is. You can locate it on map. Maximum rain takes place there. So I am sure that if you start studying that area, then you might realize few things. You may be able to find the source of Saraswati, or maybe many more rivers which might be there earlier. So Vishnu is present in the Patal Lok, that is in the ocean, and doing Palan Poshan of entire earth from there. And whenever there is a problem, he takes avatar. He cannot come out. Since he cannot come out, so he sends his clone with limited applications, limited utility, limited powers. Krishna was Purna Avatar. So that itself says that Ansh avatars, others were all Ansh avatars. Because they were supposed to solve typical problem which the planet Earth people are facing. And solution to them were given by Vishnu in the form of avatars. And he sent Krishna as Purna Avatar because female community was suffering a lot. Female community was suffering a lot. Mahabharata, if you take an example, Jarasandha used to pick up any female from anywhere, any age. He used to pick that female. He had 16,000 females picked up from various places. I don't know what he used to do. So the crime against female was that time at peak. That is why Purna Avatar Krishna was sent by Vishnu. And Vishnu gave place to manufacture Dwarka in sea itself, ocean itself. And the Dwarka went back to ocean. Ramji, he went to ocean. जल समाधि ली थी उन्होंने सरयू में. So we have to actually understand many things. Technology of mythology gives you answer to many questions, but many more to be yet digged. We are digging planet Earth for rare earth material. They are all waste. Try to locate Vishnu. You can locate Vishnu in ocean. Why do you want to locate a rare earth material? No point. They are wastage of your time and resources. You are just passing time. You will not get anything. If you really want, then try to find a procedure which can make you reach Vishnu. You can become Raja Bali. You can meet Shankar in person. You can meet Krishna in person. You can actually become Brahma. So it is 28th of February today, Krishna East Divas. East of Krishna. Yani when Krishna used to find some looking for some solution, even though he was Purna Avatar, but he was supposed to consult his East before taking any step, primarily using Sudarshan Chakra. Whenever he was to use Sudarshan Chakra, he had to take password from the, वो इफ बैंक में आप चेंज करते हैं ना बहुत सारी चीजें, आपका पासवर्ड चेंज करना पड़ता है व्हेन यू एंटर इनटू बैंक, तो और आफ्टर सर्टेन टाइम यू हैव टू चेंज योर पासवर्ड. सो कृष्ण ईस्ट वाज द पर्सन हु यूज्ड टू गिव password to operate Sudarshan Chakra. Krishna used to go to meet Krishna East to get the password to operate Sudarshan Chakra. हम इतनी सी बात नहीं समझ पाए कि विराट रूप लेने का पर्पस क्या था. तो technology or mythology is a very interesting subject on which I will be keep talking about, because my job is to convey, inform. It is your thinking, your way. You decide what you want to do, whether you want to learn something or you don't want to, or whatever you want to do, you do. My job is to just convey, inform you. So for today, that's it. Technology of mythology, I will be continuing. You can listen to it on Twitter, X platform, any day. Thank you. Jai Krishnansh. Jai Krishnansh.